Alright guys, so we found another idea for my workout workstation for my editing na pwede namin ilagay sa living room area. Ayan. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Alright, we're here today in IKEA guys, malapit lang sa apartment namin. You could actually walk all the way here but we drove. So yeah, magtingin-tingin tayo dito ngayon sa IKEA here in Burbank. So let's go inside guys. Stay with us. Kasama ko ang aking asawa. ayaw sumali sa vlog, nahihiya. We're going inside the entrance.
My buhok is so short.
Nahiya siya. He's shy because his hair is puti-puti. Kasi, matanda na kasi. Okay guys, going inside the entrance in IKEA here in Burbank, California. Magtingin-tingin tayo sa loob kung anong bago today. Walang masyadong tao ngayon dito. And he is for your outdoors furniture. And here is the elevator. Papasok na kami sa elevator. Oh, escalator pala. Walang masyadong tao ngayon guys sa IKEA. Last time, ayan, yung first opening here in IKEA, maraming tao. Today, not too many. Hindi na siya crowded guys. And I know in the Philippines, my IKEA is the biggest store in the Philippines, but here also in California is the biggest IKEA here in Burbank. Yes, yan. I like coming to IKEA kasi marami siyang mga styles sa yung living room, bedroom, kitchen, ideas. Ayan, oh. And may mura, may mahal din. Ito yung living room. Ayan. And here, there, showroom. Mga couches nila. Walang masyadong tao. Yung asawa ko ayaw sumali sa vlog. Nahihiya. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. How much is this? Look at this couch, guys. $1,099, mga 50,000 ang couch na yan, mahal. Tara, maglibot pa tayo. Ayan. So katatapos lang namin mag-dinner and then gusto namin maglakad-lakad dito sa IKEA. Tingin-tingin tayo guys kung anong bago today. Window shopping. What's in there? Oh, look at this layout here. Maganda. If you have an apartment, you can decorate your house, kitchen, and then living room. Pero meron akong dream kitchen dito sa IKEA na gusto kong gawin pag nagkaroon na kami ng house. And this will be the kids. What's that? Filter air filter. The kids area. What? Ayan. So, alright guys. So, sige na. Here, idea. Right here. It's okay. My husband nahihiya mag-ano. So, that's your plan?
You could move a bookshelf and put this here to end up being your workstation.
My workstation. Oh. Oh, okay.
Something like that.
So my husband idea daw, will be my workstation or space for my editing area. Kasi I always edit my video in the bathroom. Yes. Yes, no. Guys. When I'm editing my video, I always sit in the bathroom to edit. Kasi we don't have enough space in our apartment. Ayan, more furniture here in IKEA. Walang masyadong tao ngayon guys. Maganda. Not so crowded. Yeah. Ayan, malaki yung IKEA dito guys. Hanggang ano to. Downstairs. Kung gusto, maganda ito maglakad-lakad ng mahaba because they can walk. What's this for? Tingin-tingin ng mga bookshelves, space for the books kasi we have a lot of books. Pero hindi namin mabasa lahat yung mga books. You know, mga books, commentary books sa school niya. 1.5 for that. Small bookshelves. Oh, $30. 1.5. Hey, no, but bookshelves. You can put your books in there lang. Kasi yung, that's for what? That's $20. $20 for the little one. Pagibo. Where are you gonna put in there? And look at this living room here guys. Again, if you have a new house and want to decorate your living room, IKEA has it everything guys. The kitchen, ayan. Living room. This is like a small space, like townhomes, small area. This is for outside. Yeah. What's that for? You can hang your plants.
You put that against a wall.
Mm.
For your workspace, you can do stuff.
Oh, okay. More stuff here. Yes. Yeah, because I don't have my... Oh, look at this. I don't have my work space for my editing. Again, guys, my workspace editing is in the bathroom. My workstation is in the bathroom. I spend a lot in the bathroom editing my video. Kaloka, guys. Ayan. Ito yung IKEA dito sa Burbank. Alright, guys. Nandito tayo sa table area. This table just like our table. Maliit lang siya, guys. $179.99. Mahal na siya. Dati mura lang to. Lahat ng presyo dito sa IKEA nagtaas ang mga prices. More expensive now than it was before. Ayan. Maraming chairs. What? What you got in there? Tables? That's too small. For my editing? Looking for my editing space workshop. Look, Maha. Our $179 now. That's our table, right? Used to be no, less than 100. Maybe 150. Maybe. Yeah, now it's $179. Mahal na siya. Lahat din ng presyo nagmahal na. More table. This is your desk for conference table, right? Dinner tables. Okay, dinner tables. And pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Look at this. Ang aking dream kitchen na one day, pag nagkabahay na kami, ay ipapagawa ko to. Yeah, pag may pera din, syempre, of course. Look at this island kitchen. Ganda. Oh. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa aking dream kitchen. I'm gonna show them my dream kitchen. Look at this. This is like a ranch style kitchen. Maganda rin siya. Ito yung gusto kong kitchen, guys. Simple lang siya. Ayan, open kitchen with island. Gusto ko magkaroon ng island kitchen. And look at this nice table. It's wood. Maganda siya. Ayan. Your burners. Sink. Pwede siya lagyan ng mga display. Ayan. Ito yung magandang gusto kong kitchen guys. One day. Ayan. Tapos island kitchen. Maraming drawers, space. Ayan, may light pa siya guys. Ganda oh. Yes. My lights and drawers. Yes. So that's it. Alright guys, so we found another idea for my workout workstation for my editing na pwede namin ilagay sa living room area. Ayan, ganito yung style. Nakaano lang siya. It's like attached to the wall. You can screw to the wall. So it's not gonna go anywhere. Matibay siya. And then you can add another this pegboard, wasn't it? Pegboard that you can hang stuff, your whatever you can hang, you know, like that. That's the idea. Cute ba guys? Comment down below kung nagustuhan nyo itong design for workspace. Yan. Another beautiful kitchen layout guys. Kung bahay nyo ang malaki ang iyong dining table. Yan, maganda rin siya. And yung kitchen. Beautiful, huh? Ganda! Let's go! Okay guys, andito tayo sa bedroom showroom. Look at this bathroom. Ganda ng tub. Malaki ang tub. Yan. Pwede mag-jacuzzi dyan. Living room. Your bed. So ito yung bedroom showroom nila. Ayan. How much there $189 for the queen. Mas mura yung bed dito kaysa Pilipinas kasi yung shipment. Mas nakakamura ka pa rin dito. Right, love? More expensive in the Philippines than here. The beds here are bed frame is more cheaper here than in the Philippines. This one is $549. Probably in the Philippines, how much? Maybe almost like 1,000 pesos, maybe 50,000. Yeah.
The small stuff like the throw pillows and stuff are cheaper. The cheap stuff is cheap.
Yeah. So the
big
Phil.
stuff's more expensive.
Yeah. So double price yung mga furnitures doon sa IKEA sa Pilipinas kaysa dito sa California IKEA in Burbank. A lot cheaper. Look at this guys. Ganda oh. Akala ko may tao talaga dito sa loob ng TV na to. Yeah. There is someone testing their clothes or something. This is really cool. And your closets. May mga dress din sila dito, but this is not for sale. Display lang. So again, this is your closet idea sa mga small space. Like this is for small space, like condo or townhomes. So you can build your own closets. Yeah. Yan siya guys. Ito yung mga closets ideas. $775. Slidings. Yan. Everything has everything. IKEA has everything that you need for mga space. Small spaces in your place. Yan. Alright guys, so this is the kids area. We just passed the kids area, and they also have a restaurant here in IKEA. Now we're going downstairs. Oh, there's a box inside here. So this is the mga kitchen stuff sa first floor. Galing kami dun sa second floor. Now we're here sa baba. Ayan Ayan, mga decoration na pillow, $4.99 lang siya. This is for outdoor seating area, cushion. And kitchen stuff for cooking. Yan, for pasta. Cooking area. We're gonna go shortcut. Oh, marami siyang cutting board for 500 pesos. Isang cutting board. Madami dito, grabe. So, we're shortcut, guys. Dito tayo sa mga lighting. Here, mga shade, mga lampshade. Ayan. What's that? Like a lampshade with, table lamp. These are IKEA hats. Ma, wear the IKEA hats. Ma, wear it. Here. I'm gonna wear the IKEA hat. IKEA. So it looks funny. My wig. Ayan. May IKEA hat dito, guys. Alam you guys, mga lampshade dito, mura lang talaga. Look at this one here. $11.99. 600 pesos lang siya, guys. Yes. Again, ikumpara mo sa mga lampshade sa Pilipinas, mas mura doon kasi dito. Ayan. Alright guys, look at this one here. This is air purifier, guys. Yan, to clear the air inside your house. But $179.99 siya. Mas malaki siya ng konti. Yeah. So para yung dust, mapi-filter yung dust inside your home. So this one is how much in peso? 180, 8,000? Almost 8,000? And yeah. Almost 8,000 pesos. Almost, I think. 9,000 to 8,000 yan. So ito naman medyo maliit lang siya, guys. Yung air purifier 69, 3,500 pesos. Yeah, this one has the air. Yeah, I can feel the air nga blowing this one right here on the side. So this one is to clean the air. Yeah, yung mga dust mag-suck in dito, inilabas dito. To clean your air. Maganda, diba, Haner? Alright guys, so yun lang ang aming video for today here in IKEA. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at comment, share the video. What?
What's kalimot? I forgot what kalimot means.
You said I forgot. See, what's kalimot in English? I forgot.
Yeah, I forgot. What's kalimot mean?
I forgot?
Oh, okay.
Pasawa ito. So, yun lang guys ang aming vlog. For today dito sa IKEA Burbank. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog ulit, guys. Say goodbye. Adios. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Bye guys. Until next time. Thanks for watching.